Hi, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to GPT update today. So I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, and it seems like GPT is in for a 27% move up or 25% move up. So we got GPT that has been down for quite a while, and people are so bearish now. And we got this one touch, second touch right there, a push to the upside, and you're coming down and you're pulling back up. So if you consider this small little bit of a pattern here, you take the top to the bottom right there, and it does seem like GPT is making a showing interest to actually kind of push up to 0.108. Now that is possible because you've been overextended it to the downside quite a lot. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, we're really sold it down there, and if you look at the RSI, I've told you before that this could be the bottom of the RSI and then try to move back up like this. And so far we're doing we're playing the scenarios out. So here we go, you can see that. So maybe we're trying to actually go back again to the overbought level. So right now I'm just gonna dive into the 1 hour time frame. The stop loss is going to be a little bit wide here because it seems like the better stop loss is going to be down a little bit right over here. So you don't want to come to nearly this price area, which is going to be 0.075. so if you do make it down to 0.075, that's going to be a negative market structure. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame and how it looks like. So yeah, you can see that you're popping out. I would even say that coming down below this area would be bad, but I think giving it a little bit of a room down here, this is going to be a negative scenario right there. So you don't want to come all the way down to this area. Let's check the 5 minutes for more information right there. Now you got the 5 minutes that is actually breaking out as well. So you can see that the 5 minutes breaking out from here. So if it's a scalping opportunity, then even a stop loss down to nearly this area would be better, like 2.7, 2.9% move. So that's pretty much it for this update on GPT right now, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.